This demo explores the actions you can take on synced invoices within the Xero Connector. This will be the same whether you open an invoice from a customer's profile or from the general invoice view, which contains the invoices of all your customers. Synced invoices can be opened like this. What you see is very similar to the customer's profile. There will first be the general invoice details and then the dedicated Xero tab. There is again the Actions tab with the side-by-side view of how the invoice appears in Xero and Dynamics. The view also includes the products the invoice contains. From this tab, a PDF version of the invoice can be previewed and further action is available to you. Then there is a Payments tab, which is a unique feature where payments can be made from your end. Finally, there is the History and Notes tab, where you can document notes. These notes are directly reflected onto Xero. Thanks for watching. Contact Smart App Business Solutions for Dynamics 365 CRM and ERP solutions.